Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn a story, The Stone Cutter. It is a Japanese folk tale. The folk tale is about a stone cutter. One who cuts stone to size is called stone cutter. The stone cutter becomes a rich man, then a king, then the sun, then cloud, then stone cutter. Let's read and enjoy. Kalu was a poor stonecutter. One day it was hot, and Kalu did not feel like working. He puts his axe down and said, I want to be rich. Suddenly, an angel came from heaven and said, You shall be rich. And so Kalu became rich. He ate and drank all day. Here, the word suddenly means unexpectedly. The angel came and Kalu became rich. One day he saw a king. Every day bowed to him. Look, bow down means to respect by bowing down. One day he saw a king. Everybody bowed to him. Kalu said, Money is not enough. I want to be king. The angel means divine messenger, came again and made him a king. Now everybody bowed to him. Kalu was happy. One day he was going around his country. The hot sun burnt him. Suddenly Kalu shouted. Shouted means speak loudly. I want to be the sun. Here question arises. What was Kalu? Kalu was a stonecutter. Why did not he want to work? He did not want to work because he did not feel like working. What did Kalu want to become? Kalu wanted to become rich. Who said, You shall be rich? The angel said, You shall be rich. What did Kalu do when he became rich? When Kalu became rich, he ate and drank all the day. What did he say one day? One day he saw a king. Money is not enough. I want to be a king. Who said? Kalu said. Money is not enough. I want to be a king. Who made Kalu a king? The angel made Kalu a king. Why was Kalu happy? Kalu was happy because everybody bowed to him. Who burnt him? When? The hot sun burnt him when he was going around his country. What did Kalu want to be next? Kalu wanted to be the sun next. Let's read SGP 2, paragraph number 3, page number 66. The angel came again and turned Kalu into the sun. Turned means changed. The angel changed Kalu into the sun. Kalu burnt everything. He burnt the faces of kings. He burnt the faces of rich and of the stonecutters who were cutting stones. He was happy, but after some days he saw a cloud below him. Below means beneath. It would not go away. Now he could not reach the earth one anymore. The cloud was stronger, and of course, the man wanted to be a cloud. Paragraph number 4. The angel came again and turned Kalu into a cloud. The cloud rained every day. People stopped coming out of their houses. The sun did not shine on the earth anymore. Shine means to produce or reflect light. The sun was overjoyed. The man was overjoyed. He was stronger than the sun. The people, the grasses, the trees, everything was washed away by the train. Here question arises, did the angel make Kalu the sun? Yes, the angel made Kalu the sun. Question number 2. What did Kalu burn? How did he feel? Do you like him? Answer. Number 2. He burned the faces of kings, faces of rich and stonecutters. He felt very happy. Do you like him? No, I don't like. We don't prefer it. Number 3. Why could not Kalu the sun reach the earth? Kalu the sun could not reach the earth because below him a cloud was seen which would not go away. Number 4. What did Kalu want to be next? Kalu wanted to be a cloud next. Was Kalu turned into a cloud? Yes, Kalu was turned into a cloud. Why did people stop coming out of their houses? The cloud rained every day, so people stopped coming out of their houses. Why did not the sun shine on the earth? The sun did not shine on the earth because the cloud rained every day. The sun was overjoyed. Who is the man in the sentence? The man was overjoyed. Kalu is the man in the sentence. What did the rain wash away? The rain washed away the people, the grasses, and the trees. Let's read SGP3, paragraph number 5. But the water fell on a rock. Rock means large mass of stone. The rock did not move. Kalu saw this. He shouted, I wanted to be rock. And the angel came down and turned Kalu into a rock. The rock did not move when it rained. But suddenly a man with an axe came and began to cut stones from the rock. Kalu did not want to be a rock anymore. The angel came down for the last time and said, You shall be a stonecutter. So Kalu was a stonecutter again. He was poor, but he was happy. Here question arises, why did Kalu want to be a rock? Kalu wanted to be a rock because it did not move in the heavy rain of the cloud. Did Kalu become a rock? Yes, Kalu became a rock. Why did not he want to be a rock anymore? He did not want to be a rock anymore because did Kalu want to be a rock anymore? Because a stonecutter began to cut stones from the rock. Why did not the angel? What did the angel do then? Then the angel made Kalu a stonecutter again. Was Kalu happy to be a stonecutter again? Yes, Kalu was happy to be a stonecutter again. Kalu was a stonecutter. He went through 5 stages to become a stonecutter again. These are the 5 stages are shown in the circle below. The stonecutter, a rich man, a king, the sun, a cloud, a rock. See the sentences below and fill in the gaps choosing the words from the box. Page number 71. The mountain is dash than a squirrel. The mountain is mightier than a squirrel. A coconut tree is taller than a mango tree. Cotton is lighter than iron. A car runs faster than a bicycle. A sea is larger than a river. See your page number 72. Match the two-word verb in A with their meaning in B. Put down means place on the floor. Go around means visit nearby places. Turn into means made change. Go away means disappear, go out of sight, adrushya haba. Wash away means carried away by water. Thanks for watching the video. Write down all the question answers and try to remember.